Is that a robot?
Uh-huh.
All right, take all the stuff out.
What's that what?
Oh, not this. This is a piece of the robot. What's that?
Is that what?
It's a piece of the robot.
Then not in here.
Oh, I bet you that's the robot. What is this?
I don't know camera.
Camera? Okay, it's a cable.
Cable.
Okay, then this one seems like it's a little stuck. But this is the...
Another box?
Another box. Let's see. Oh, look at that.
Well, I didn't hear it.
Oh, I think the robot's in one of these. Which one do you think the robot's in?
Right there.
You think the robot's in here?
Yeah.
I think that's the field, see? 1, 2, 3, field.
I take it. I take it for the package.
Sure. Pull right here. Pull right here.
The package should not you. No package.
You were getting the package open. All right, go ahead and pull.
What's
What's
here?
that?
That what?
Is this a robot?
What is that?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
It's the play field.
The field?
Yeah, it's the play field. See? It's the robot's play field. Oh, look at that. It's got little rubber feet on there too, so it actually adheres really well on that table. It kind of holds on there nice and tight.
Here's you.
Okay, you want to open that one?
Uh-huh, yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is tough. It takes 2 people. Oh, there it is. Okay, pull.
Just another
Pull
one.
it right here. Oh, that's tougher than I thought.
Then, no package.
Okay, open it up.
Then no package.
What is it? Is that a robot?
What is that?
Oh my goodness,
No.
is that a robot?
Yeah.
Cool.
The red what?
Yeah, is this a red robot?
Uh-huh.
Okay, there, I got its little play kit on there. This is supposed to be able to allow you to line up and program it. Isn't that fun?
Yeah. Do you want to play red what?
Do I want to play with the red robot?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Oh, I think this is how you turn it on. There it is. Why don't you push green twice? Hold on, let's square it up here.
Push
Green twice. Push hard. There, now push again.
that.
Yep, push again. All right, now push the center.
That.
No, center. Push the green glowing center.
Green. That.
Yeah. Push. Did that work?
I know. Oh.
1, 2. Wow, it did the 2 presses. Isn't that neat? Should we put more tracks on?
More tricks.
More fields? Oh my goodness.
I mean more field.
Yeah, we got a lot of fields. Should I just get all 4 going here?
More.
More? All right, we'll do more.
And I want to field.
And then it does have these edges here.
This 10.
Yeah, it does have these nice little edges. Look at that.
It goes soft.
Yeah, and then, oh, yeah, that's all right. There, see, now it has a corner so the robot can't escape. See?
They can escape.
There, now the robot won't leave. There we go. All right, go ahead and play. When you push buttons, it does stuff. Watch. And then it stays in the corner, or in the little squares. Whoops. Yay! Here, now we'll turn it off and turn it back on, and then you can do it all over. All right, now how do you turn it on?
Huh?
How do you turn the robot on?
I don't know.
Nope. Remember, you push it on the field.
That.
Nope. Try. There, it's on. There, did you hear it? It's on now. Get it over here. Now program it by pushing buttons. There you go. Oh my, what's it gonna do? Use your thumb. There.
It's turning.
Yeah. Wow, is that what you programmed it to do?
I don't know.
Okay, now when you program it, use your thumb. Do you want to push the green button? Purple or
Yeah.
green? Yeah, do green. There, now touch the center again. So put it right here. There. Good.
People see a lot.
Yeah. Wow, did you program that? Wow, good job. Okay, what we got right here is the pendant.
Then I will.
No, it's not a robot. It's a robot controller. All right, here it is.
And I
It's not a robot, but it's a robot controller.
They give me.
A game? Yeah, maybe.
They give me.
Let's see. Look, these are programming keys.
Keys.
Now hold on.
I have a program it.
Yeah, let's do this. I want to try this. Let's have it here. Let's have it drive until crash, and then we'll have it play a honk. All right. So I know we have to do a start command first, and then we'll play honk.
Honk.
It goes in all the way. There we go. But we need to.
Sandroid.
When start 1, 2, 3.
Blue. That.
When wait.
That.
I'm trying to use this one. It's gonna do that, and then it's gonna stop. Okay.
Will I get broken?
Let's try it. I think I need batteries in here.
And now, you need battery?
I got the 2 AAAs in there. So, the light turned this color. I hope it turns off normally, but go ahead and turn it back on.
Huh?
Turn the robot back on.
What happened?
I turned it off. Can you turn the robot back on? There you go. All right, put it in the middle. There you go. All right, now, I guess we'll have to read instructions.
And watch.
Oh, here's how you do it.
And this we watch.
You hold these 2 buttons and these 2 buttons. Hold on now.
That watch.
Oh, I think it did it. Yay! All right, now it's blinking with this, so we'll hit start. All right, it's gonna drive till it crashes, plays a honk, and then it stops. See, watch, we turn it this way, push the play button.
Play button?
Push the play, nope, that's skip forward.
That play?
No, green play button.
Green?
Yeah, push it. Whoa! Do you want to do a different program?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's go ahead and... Do you want to have it act happy? Wait, what'd you do?
I'm taking it.
Okay, what are those?
This.
Hold on, don't take them all out. Just do a couple. Okay, what is this? What do you think this says?
Yeah, this says that.
That says that? Here, how about we take these out? Go ahead and put this in here. Be very gentle.
Maybe great.
Yep, put that down. Hold one at a time. Put this one down. There, now hold the controller. There you go. Now be gentle. There you go. Good. Push it in. Good. Here, what is that? Does that act happy?
Uh-huh.
Okay, why don't you put that in right here? Put that in that one.
That's stop.
Yeah, that's stop. Put that one up there.
That's
Oh, wrong way. That way, yeah.
the one way.
Yeah, that's the right way. All right, put it in. Be very gentle. Push it. Good. And then, you know what we're going to do? We're going to, instead of stopping, we're going to go back to the start. So it'll keep going. Put that one in.
Stop.
Yeah, there you go. Put that in there.
You guys stop.
No, we won't stop. It'll go loop back to the start. Why don't you go ahead and push start?
That
Nope, green button.
green.
Green. Use your thumb. Okay, back up. It's going to do it. Whoa, it turned. Oh, you hear it?
Huh?
Here, you hear it? It's acting happy.
Huh? Huh?
You hear it giggling?
Huh?
See? It's giggling. And then you can see the lights light up with what it's doing. All right, you want to hit stop with your thumb?
Huh?
You want to hit stop with your thumb?
No.
No, you like looking at the robot? Uh-oh, I stopped him. What are you going to do?
I don't know.
Do you want to start him again?
Uh-huh.
Go ahead.
Green?
Yep. Use your thumb. Oh, you got it with your finger. So you like the robot? Do you approve? Do you want to tell the people? What do you want to tell them?
They're being funny.
Yeah, he's being funny. Anything else? Do you want to play with the robot now?
Yeah.
All right, we'll play with them. All right. Thanks, everybody. Until next time, I'm the Ill-Informed Human. Bye-bye.